Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Friday, September 20. The National Security Ministry has signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with 18 government agencies to share information for the Jamaica Crime Observatory, a tool to boost crime-fighting efforts. The observatory is a web-based crime and violence statistics data bank which covers 5 major parishes: Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon and St. James. With the signing of the MOU on Thursday, authorities will be better able to understand crime through the data collected and develop strategies to tackle the problem. The database contains information on homicides, sexual assaults, suicide and traffic fatalities.
The observatory is clearly an empowering tool. They can also analyze the data and feed the results to the policy level to ensure that targeted decisions are made about responding in the immediate to long term to treat security risk factors.
The Jamaica Social Investment Fund is the body in charge of managing the activities and the money being used for the Crime Observatory. It was first set up in 2011 from grant funding provided by the Japan Social Development Fund. Residents in Eastern St. Thomas are set to benefit from a $1 billion project to improve the water supply system in that section of the parish. The aim is to improve the operational efficiency of the National Water Commission (NWC) and improve the level of water supplied to residents. Under the St. Thomas project, pipelines will be upgraded, wastewater treatment plants rehabilitated, and treatment plants retrofitted with tanks and pumps. State Minister in the Ministry of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change, Ian Hales, says the St. Thomas project is part of the broader strategy to provide potable water to Jamaicans island-wide. Funding will be made available under the K-Factor program.
In terms of the pump and tank, there's a program which is under the ministry also. Total of it is approximately 8.1 billion. To go across the country, retrofit the pumps, retrofit tanks also, and put in new tanks where new tanks ought to be, and ensuring that we can improve efficiency.
Meanwhile, Cabinet has approved a contract worth $5.39 million to improve water supply systems in Old Harbour, Mandeville and Maypen. Another $320.8 million was approved for the construction of a new pumping and distribution system from Ferry St. Catherine to Red Hill, St. Andrew. Both projects were funded by the National Water Commission (NWC) and the Inter-American Development Bank and will run for 36 months. In the meantime, NWC customers will get more accurate meter readings with the acquisition of 250 handheld water meter computers.
In the absence of handheld meters, the readings are being recorded on paper and then processed. The manual process is inefficient, prone to errors, and it lacks the management controls the handheld computers provide.
New entrepreneurs are urged to explore equity instead of debt financing when starting up their operations. The advice came from Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton at the annual Shirley Playfair Lecture.
Too many businesses in starting up compromise themselves because of the heavy debt that they start with. I urge you to look at the equity, especially for small enterprises. Look at how you can bring in family, friends, and beyond the family and friends. Have a strong business proposal that can attract the attention of potential angel investors and other kinds of investors.
Minister Hilton also reminded entrepreneurs that the government is working on a number of measures to help persons fund their businesses. These include the Jamaica Venture Capital Program to be launched in April 2014 and the Secured Transactions Act, which will allow persons to use movable items like appliances and furniture as collateral for loans. The annual Shirley Playfair Lecture was hosted by the Fair Trading Commission under the theme Emerging Business Strategies and Implications for Competition. The public is being reminded that it is illegal to capture, kill or eat endangered species, especially crocodiles. The reminder follows reports of increased public consumption of crocodile meat. Addressing a JIS think tank session, Environmental Coordinator at the Urban Development Corporation (UDC), Lene Vassiana, spoke of some of the benefits these animals provide to the environment.
They serve a purpose in our marine systems, marine ecosystems. Them being scavengers, they help with the health of our marine systems, which impacts the fish that we like to eat in Jamaica.
The penalty for capturing or harming endangered species is $100,000 or a prison term of up to 2 years. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.